Okay, so we've done our leitmotif, our melody. We've got to level 4. For level 5, we now need to compose a bass line, and we're going to use similar notes. So first we're going to add a MIDI instrument track at the bottom of the green one. Go to basses, and we can use double bass section maybe. Yeah, double bass section. So click once and then click a second time. Make sure the cue is on. What I can do when I'm practicing is loop it. So at the top where the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, there's this little kind of light red section. If you click on that and you extend it to your 4 bars, this is now just going to loop that. So then if I click on my instrument, so what I did is double clicked on the symbol on the left, and that brought this up, and I can practice. Okay, so you can use the notes from the pentatonic scale. You don't have to, but you can do. So I'm going to take off that loop, and now I'm going to record a bass line. Okay, so if I now listen, and there we go. Again, it's gone a bit too long here, so I'm going to click on the end and make it, there we go. So that's level 5. I've got a melody for level 4, and on level 5 I have a bass line as well.